Here at Local Cocoa, we are very focused on being good to our planet and being completely sustainable. Everything is completely compostable and biodegradable, from our bamboo wooden spoons to our professionally curated coconut bowls, which are hollowed out coconut shells. Everything that we use comes from local farms. We try to keep everything as organic as possible. Our two highlighted fruits are the dragon fruit and the acai, which are very dense in phytonutrients, which are nutrients that come from plants that are beneficial to the human body. The dragon fruit has a very floral yet tangy and sweet taste at the same time, very robust and hits a lot of different notes on that flavor palette. And everything that we do is curated by flavor and color. So we try and couple, you know, the health aspect and feeling really good about what you're eating with the pretty aspect of our food.